Hello YouTube, this is Ron with RTR Gearheads. Just figured I'd send you a quick update on the Trans Am. I've been putting a whole bunch of them on there. Got a couple videos. We're gonna edit it together along with some still pics and show you exactly what we have going on with the Trans Am now. Again, we're making progress. I'm gonna be away from the garage for about a week, if that long. So we're trying to make as much progress as we can before I can't come here for about a week. So here shortly, I'll go ahead and send you a current what it is. We're gonna have a video before that to show me do a walk around prior to us getting to the point we are right now. All right, be back in a minute. Real quick review, update. 1980 Trans Am. We actually did move the hood over because we're starting to mess around now. We do have the swap mounts with nuts secured on the bottom. We're not actually tightening them up until the motor is sitting down in there and the trans cross members there. As showed before, the AC box has been deleted. We have the AC box delete plate coming. And here we go with the 4.8. Everything's set. If you look, I do have the new oil pan on, and we got a piece of threads in there and an oil filter spin on. I'm also thinking about getting a plate here that actually has a hole in it. It's already threaded to put my oil pressure sensor in there. Everything's tied up. We have accessories taken off the front right now, just because it's going to be easiest to lift it up and get everything in like that. We are going to stick the transmission and the engine in together. And then once we do that, for the rest of the week, at least I will be bolting everything back up. Many parts that we used. And like I said before, I do have an oil pan, the orange one that was on here before. There's my fuse panel we'll be using. Just want to give you guys a quick update. Again, it's Ron from RTR Gearheads. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and let us know what you guys think. All right, YouTube Nation, here we go. The motor and trans are in. Yeah, we're gonna probably run into problems with some hood clearance issues, so we might actually be hunting down a LS car intake manifold. I hate to think about that, but that's a very big possibility. We right now have everything ran where it's gonna go. Of course, we're actually gonna do away with those trans lines and do some actual good trans lines. Those were brand new. They were actually the ones that were on the 301 and Turbo 350. Right now, all we're gonna do is loop them off when we go to fire it up. We still do have the accessories over there. Haven't put on yet because when we're getting it in, one of the lower motor mounts, one of the bolts came out. So we've got to get that back in before we put the accessory bracket on and get the belt on there. Do already have oil in it. Other than that, we are going to actually have to do the exhaust from the headers down. It's not going to be too bad. We're going to have the pipe run down, crossover from the left side, driver's side, to the right side, the passenger side, Y into that, and then for right now, go into the stock exhaust. And we still have room in there, as you see, to get the airbox delete plate in there. Just enough room. Pop came up today and actually helped me get it in there. It was trying. What we ended up doing, actually, because our garage is two-step, we actually ended up rolling the Trans Am forward and then poking the motor in. We'll be back with you guys tomorrow with even another update and see what you guys think about where we're at then. All right, it's Ron. Thanks for watching. So hopefully you guys like the update we have for the Trans Am. Tomorrow, Tommy's supposed to be coming over, and hopefully we'll get the cross member in. Start looking at the exhaust. We still got to change the rear pinion seal because it's leaking. Try to get the drive shaft off. Also, the exhaust, like I mentioned earlier, we're gonna run new pipe, O2 sensors, and hopefully we'll wire it into the stock exhaust. Also, just to let you guys know, a lot of people either being present there at the shop or just giving me advice on this swap. Been a lot of help. Junior's been there. We haven't caught as much video as we'd like to because I'll get there and realize I forget my camera or my phone. But Junior's been there helping. Tommy's been there helping. Today, my father was there. He's been helping more than once. Everybody's pitching in. It's just been a very long process as far as when everybody's schedule's busy. I still have to get stuff done. And with my arm right now, like I said in the prior video, it takes me 4 or 5 days for something that should have taken 1 day if it's just me doing it. But hopefully you guys like the video, the update I just put on there. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you think. Give us recommendations for future projects or any comments you have on our current projects right now. Again, this is Ron from RTR Gearheads. Thanks for watching.